We're looking at how to buy shares of Hercules Capital Inc., a business development company that provides financing to venture-backed and growth stage companies. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker HTGC. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, normally with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker HTGC to find Hercules Capital Inc. Then select the matching NASDAQ listing to open its asset page. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm this is Hercules Capital Inc. Double-check the NASDAQ listing and the HTGC ticker before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until the next session. And if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing the purchase. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same steps.